Okay, fine. Okay. So all configuration we completed till now. Okay, na. So next what we have need to do, we have need come in the come here, right? Come inside this. So till now the all configuration, whatever required configuration is there, we completed now. Okay, so we completed now. Okay, fine. So next is what we have need to write our own classes, right? Our own classes and interfaces to perform what the operation, save operation. So for that, before doing that, what hibernate need what model class or not model class, hibernate need what model class, right? So let's write it. Okay, now first write the model class. Okay, so for that, what is that? Come here. Okay, come inside that and let's create one model class object. Here package name is what? Package name what? Model, model, right? Model. And what is that? Employee. Just I'm taking employee model class name. Okay, so yesterday I explained already, right? Hibernate annotation. So if we want to make this one entity class, what annotation we will apply? At the rate entity, right? At the rate entity annotation, right? Which is there in the Java persistence API, right? This is the Java persistency package. Okay, now after then what is that? Just I'm taking what? Private integer, right? Integer emp id, right? Emp id. Second one is what? Private string emp emp name, right? Emp name. After then what is that? Private what is that? Double emp sal, right? Emp sal. These four properties are there. These four properties are there, right? But in this property, these two annotation is mandatory: id and entity. Id and entity, right? Yesterday I was not shown the problem, but today I'm going to show the problem also. If we not write entity, we not write id, because today the our session is what about main topic, right? Hibernate. Just to give the image in your mind, right? Because of that I explained yesterday. Alt Shift S plus what? R. Select all, generate setter and a getter method, right? Now alt shift S plus S, right? Generate two string method. Okay, now all permutation and combination, but I don't want these names, right? I don't want these names in the database and employee names. I want my choice name. For that, what is that? At the rate table. At the rate table annotation is there, right? So name equal to what? I want my name. Okay, emp. My name is what? Table name should be emp. After then what? At the rate column, right? At the rate column annotation is there. Inside that what? Name equal to what? Eid. I want eid. Okay, now I want what? Eid. Okay, after then what is that? At the rate column, right? At the rate column, name equal to what? Name equal to what? E name, right? E name. Okay, fine. After then I want salary also. At the rate column, at the rate column, right? At the rate column, inside that what? Name equal to what? Esal, right? I want esal. This property I want in the table, right? Yesterday clearly I given the things are not. See here. I at the rate entity, at the rate table. Why I explained hibernate yesterday? To make our spring ORM easy. Because of that, yesterday I was explained what spring ORM, right? Because of that I was explained spring ORM. Now you people is understanding the things why I explained yesterday hibernate. So okay, na. So this is our model class, right? This is our model class and a configuration. See, employee table is there already, right? Employee table is there. Okay, na. So okay, fine. Come in the application. Come means our entity class is ready now. Our entity class is ready now, which is the persist in the table. So now, but I left in the configuration. I said when I will tell, right? So employee table, employee entity class is there in where? In the com.rk, right? Come inside the configuration class. Okay, na. And a session, I said that session need what? configuration also, right? The model class also, right? So inside that, what we will do now, where the package name, employee class package name, we will paste it here inside that, what, that class. Then at the runtime, the whatever classes is there, right, whatever classes is there, it will scan that those classes, and it will create the object, and it will persist the object in the database. Because of that, it's having how many property need session factory, session data source to interact with our database, right? And after then, hibernate property to perform what, all those hibernate operations. And second one, last one is what, model class, which make that object as a what, persistable object, right? So these three property need what, at session factory, right? A local session factory being object, right? Because of that, I wrote, okay now. After then, commit and rollback operation to perform. For that, we taken this one. After then, we enabled here that on the class level using this annotation, okay? So these operation now completed, okay now, these operation now completed, okay, fine. So this much operation we completed now. So after then, okay now, so just this much, after seeing this much, okay now, table will create in the database, but we have need to save and update. So if we want to just test it, right? So how we will activate our IOC container, right? Now right click, we have need test class, right? So we have need test class, okay now, com dot rk dot, what is that, test, right? Test. Now I'm writing one test class, right? Just I will run the application. By running the application, one table will create in the database. I want to show that, okay now, I want to show that. After then, we will perform what, select, update, delete operation, all those operations we will perform after then, right? So now, okay now, what is that, application, what is that, context, right? Application context, right? Interface, what happened, a double p l I c a t i, application context. Now AC equal to, what is that, new annotation config, annotation class, okay, this one, this class, okay na. Inside that, what we will do now, we will pass this application configuration or not, app config, right? I have config dot class. Just by passing that, our IOC container will activate, right? And come here, and if we run this application in the database, come here, employee database is there. Inside that, I want emp table, right? Inside that, I want emp table, which I may which see in the model class, which what I taken that, I don't want employee table, right? I want emp inside that, right? Inside that MySQL in here. After running that, we can able to see one things, right? One emp table, right? Emp table without data. So let's run this application. Just I'm running this test class. By running this test class, right, one table will create in the MySQL. See, Hibernate, internally Hibernate only, right? See, class by class means create table. Table is created. My means our application is run. Now come inside that here, right? Still, see, no data, na, just refresh it. Refresh it. See, EMP table is created or not inside that employee. Now, if you see the data, there is no data. EID, ename, ESAL. Based on what? Based on what? Come here. Based on what, come here, the model class, based on whatever name we given in the column, right? In the column, based on this name, it will create it or not. So I said that yesterday means which annotation is mandatory, id and employee id is both these two annotation is mandatory. So let's comment it. I'm commenting id, right? I will show the problem. Let's run this, and we will get error. I'm running this application. See on the console, right? See what error we are facing, that getting that. See, main method is spring. See, come here. Session factory com.rk, right? Com.rk, it will tell no identified specification entity, right? Entity means ID is not there. See, what is that identification means, what? ID only, right? ID identification. ID is a full form what? Identification only, right? So directly our what IOC container is saying that there is no identity of what, which class, employee class. Because of that, I failed, I failed to run this application, right? So means one point you got or not, without IDE, our Hibernate and Spring ORM also application also will not work. Okay, now. So now I'm uncommenting this one. I'm going to uncomment it. Okay, now I uncommented this one. Now it will work. So now in this time, what is that, I'm going to comment entity, right? I'm going to comment entity. Okay, now again let's run this application. Again our application will fail. Now in this time error will different, error is different. Hey, what happened? One more time, again I'm running this application. Okay. Oh, sorry, server. Means it, see, it's taking here only, the application is stopping, means its implementation class is not finding some error. It's, I don't know why it's not showing that error, but we can get one error, right? We can get the error, I don't know why. So means these two annotation, okay, now these two annotation is mandatory in entity class. Okay, fine. So these two things I cleared or not? Okay, now fine, come here. Okay, now come now. So okay, for that I want to perform the operation, right? So let's develop the like to how we can write the, how we can write the application in the real time, right? So for that let's come to here. Okay, now. So for that, what is that? DAO layer, right? DAO layer and its implementation classes, right? So what is that? So com.rk.dao and its implementation class, what IDAO I taken, right? So now let's create it. Now right click, create one package, right? Create one package with the interface. Okay, na? So what is the package name? com.rk.vark.dao, right? DAO. After then what is that? I employee DAO, right? This is the interface. Okay, na? This is what interface, this is what interface. After then, it's this interface. So but I want to save the data, right? I want to save the data and come here, right? Come here and in the explanation, come to our explanation, whatever. So to save, so we have need to call the save method, right? We have need to call the save method, but its argument is what? Object type, right? Its argument is what? Object type. Which object type? Model class object type, right? So internally which operation it will perform? This operation it will perform. Okay, na? So let's do this one, this operation first we will do that. So here its return type is what? Its return type is what? Primary key. Save method will return what? Primary key. Okay, na? Int. So what is that? Now public, what is that? Public int, what is that? Save emp object, right? Object, and it's taking what? Employee object argument, model class object, right? Model class is what? Our, come here inside that, see that, right? See that employee is there, right? Employee, that, so pass that emploi, employee dot emp, right? This one is the argumented. It will, this one will take what? Employee, that method name. But we know that we have need its implementation class or not. So for that, what we will do now? We will create it. We will create its implementation class also, right? So where we will write that logic. Okay, now. So what is that? Com dot what is that? RK dot DAO IMPL, right? IMPL. Come first here. Come. Everything we will see. Huh. Okay, so come here, right? Come here. So what is the what we are taking com dot rk dot dao dot impl. Its implementation class is what? Employee dao impl, right? So employee dao impl. Fine. So what is that? Com dot rk dot dao impl. Now what is that? Employee dao impl class name I'm taking, right? Now so for that, but it's having what? One abstract method. What is that? One abstract method or not? So fine. Okay, so what is that? So but I said that come in the UML diagram, come in the UML diagram here, come in the UML diagram, right? So it's implementation class, but it's having need one attribute. Which one? Hibernate template, right? We have need to inject or not? So for that, which annotation we will use? Iterate auto wire. Okay, so for that, what is that? Public? No, sorry. So first we have to implement, right? Implement the super class interface. Super class interface, which one? This interface, because the method operation is there in the interface only, right? So for that, okay, implementation, what is that? IEMP employee, right? I employee do service. Okay, now it's having what? One abstract method or not? Because of that we are see here getting the error. Okay, now so alt shift s plus v to override super class method in what? In the child class. Okay, na? We overridden here method. Okay, na? So but where to save method is there, right? Save method, where the save method is there? In the hibernate template, in the hibernate template class, right? This HT hibernate template I explained, right? Where the save method is there? In the hibernate template, right? So for that we have need first take the sorry, private, right? Come in the UML diagram. Based on the UML diagram we will do that, right? So come here in the UML diagram. Come what here HT we taken here, minus symbol I taken or not? So which kind of attribute we will take? Private attribute, right? So private, what is that? Hibernate template, what is that? HT, right? HT, fine. So but this is the object type, so how we will inject it? At the rate auto, right? At the rate auto. Okay, I injected, but this is I don't want to configure this bean class inside what? Our application context. So which stereotype we will apply? At the rate, what is that? At the rate repository, right? At the rate repository. To make this one is what? DAO layer. To make this class as what? DAO layer. For that we are using what? At the rate repository, right? So fine, all things we now completed. Okay, so for that, but we have need to perform what? Save operation, right? So save operation, if we want to perform what is that? Save operation. So for that, what is what? HT dot save method we call or not? HT dot save. Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass this object. We will pass this object, right? We will pass this object, right? It will return what? It return what? Int id, right? Mhm. 1 minute, 1 minute, something. It's my mistake, friend. Okay, na? This is the serializable return type. Okay, na? So I'm not taking. It's my mistake only. Okay, na? I will see one more time. So here we will take wide only. Okay, na? We are not returning anything. Just I'm taking wide. The return type wide. So no need to here take anything. Okay. So I want to save that the employee object, right? I want to save this employee object. Okay, so for that, okay, fine. So till now we completed, right? Till now we completed. Okay, DAO operation we completed with the save operation, right? So we have need to write what service class or not, service class and its implementation class. Okay, na? So again, let's create one more package. Okay, let's create one more package. Okay, let's create one more package. Now com dot interface. We will create what? Com dot what is that? RK dot. Okay, na? Com dot service. SERVICE service. Okay, na? After then what is the I employee service, right? I employee service, this is the interface. Okay, na? Inside that what, again we will create the same method. Okay, na? Public void what is that, what is that, what method name we take? Save emp object. You can take any name, as it's not meaning that. Okay, na? save 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 emp object, and argument is what? Emp, employee object only, right? Employee object, employee emp, right? Employee emp, this is what abstract method in the interface, but we can't create, right? We can't create this it's object in the interface of interface object we can't create, right? So we, where we will go, we will go inside its implementation class, right? So now right click again, create one more package, right? So what is that? Com dot what is that? RK dot service, service dot IMPL, right? IMPL. Now what is that? Employee SERVICE IMPL, right? This is what class name, it's implementation class. Okay, so I will implement that service. Implements what? Implements what? I employ service class, right? I employ service class. Okay, na? I employ service class, but it's having what? One abstract method, R shift S plus V. R shift S plus V. Okay, I overridden, right? I overridden that method. Okay, na? After overriding, so how we will represent? I don't want to configure this class as what? Service class in what? Bean class. So which stereotype annotation we will apply? At the rate service, right? Then our IOC container will treat this class as what? Service means business class. Okay, na? So I want, but I want this method, or this method interact with what? I want this method will with and interact with what? Our DAO class, right? So for that, what we will do now? What we will do now to interact with? So we will take the reference of what? We will take the reference of what? This employee service DAO IMPL class or not? Where? So here, come this interface, right? This interface reference we will take where? We will take where? In the service class, right? In the service class implementation, right? So what is that? Private, what is that? Private I I employ what is that? DAO, right? DAO. Okay, na? So but this is what? Object type. So how we will inject? At the rate auto wire we will inject by using what? At the rate auto wire in, we can inject the our object or not in our what? In our what? Service class. Okay, fine. So now, but non-select operation means saving the operation. Whenever we are going to save the object, right? Which kind of operation we are going to perform? Non-select operation, right? Non-select operation. I said that when I was when I explained, right, at the rate transaction annotation, and at the rate transaction annotation, at the time of I said that, right, to whenever we will select save that, right? Whenever we will save that, so just we will apply on the top of that method at the rate transactional annotation only, right? So this method we are going to perform what? Non-select operation at the rate what is that? Transactional annotation, right? At the rate what is that? Transactional Java X no Spring Framework annotation we have made. See, in the two packages is there, but you have to apply what is Spring Framework annotation, right? Okay, so we applied it. Okay, na? So for that, in that, what we will do now? DAO, inside the DAO, which method is there? Which method? This method we will call inside what? Service class. Okay, inside that what? Service class. Fine. So what we will do now? Come here. Okay, na? So now what we will do now, DAO dot, what is that? DAO, we will take that reference and save the object. We will call that method and we will pass this argument inside this method. Okay na? So after passing that, okay na? So what we will do now, let's test it. Okay na? Let's test it. Our model class is saving or not. See, there is no data in the, see here, null is there, right? Null is there. So null is there. Okay na? So at the rate component, can I use at the rate component annotation also? Okay, let's make the controller also. Okay na? So what I will do now, I will write the I will use, think about that this is our controller class, right? Think about that this is our controller class. Okay na? Now right click, what is that? What is that? Com dot, what is that? RK, right? RK dot, what is that? Comp, just I'm taking the name is a component, and employee, just I'm giving the name what? Employee, emp LOY, the employee comp, just I'm giving the comp, right? M COMP. Okay na? After that finish it. Okay na? So one more stereotype, if we want to make this one as a component, so which stereotype at the rate component annotation we will apply it on the top of, okay na, this class. Then there is no need to configure in what our in the application class. Okay na? So for that I so I want to use our business class, right? Our business class here in this component. So what we will do now, we will create private, what is that? Employee, right? I employee service is there, right? Where implementation I employee, right? So I employee service, right? Now SERVICE service. Okay, I'm taking this one. So but if this is the object type, to how we will inject at the rate AutoWire, right? At the rate AutoWire. If reference type is there, then we will use what? At the rate AutoWire. So okay, fine. So after then what we will do now, in this class only, right? In this class, what we will do now? Okay. So okay, let's write one method, right? One method. In that method, what we will do now? We will save our object, right? We will save our object. So what I'm going to do now? Public what? Public save. Just a void return type. I'm taking what? So save object, right? Save obj, just obj, I'm taking the name, and this is what? Not argumented, I'm not taking any argument in this method, right? In this method what I will do now, I will create employee model class object, right? Model class object e equal to, what is that? New employee. I'm inserting the data, right? For the inserting purpose, right? So now what is that? E dot, what is that? Get set, what is that? Employee ID, right? Set employee ID is what? Set employee ID as what? 101. Okay na? So now after then what? E dot set, right? E dot set employee name is just what I'm taking. So I'm taking my name only, Ravi. After then, okay, fine. After then what? Next one is what? E dot what? Set. E dot set salary, right? Salary set salary, right? EMP sal, right? EMP sal, just 20 I'm writing inside that 2020. Okay, now this is what. So I want to save this object, right? So for that, what method? Where the save method we will call from the service interface. Okay, now. So just what we will do now, just we will take a service reference of service, SERV service dot what method? In the save method. In this save method, right? In this save method we will pass this model class reference, right? We will pass this model class reference. Okay, just passing that. Okay, after then what will happen? Sysout object is save, right? Object is save means here whenever we are calling this method, it will go inside what? Service class. Come here, whenever we are calling that, it will go inside that service class interface. From there the abstract method, it will go inside its implementation class. The logic will be based on the logic, it will go to DAO class, right? But DAO class also interface, then it will see its implementation class. Its implementation class by seeing that Hibernate template in the save method is there. Based on that, we will save that object. Okay, na? So shall we run this application and we can test it? Our application is working or not? So but this method we know that, right? How if we want to perform any object operation, component, right? Component is there, but in the application, come here, where configuration, come in the configuration, right? Component is 10, everything is fine. Okay, everything is fine, friend. Okay, now so test class, let's test it. Okay, now let's test it. Our object is saving or not in the, but to save that object, right? We don't know how to create bus object. I given the example or not? So we are going the bus factory or not? Same, like I don't know how to create employee bean object. So where we will go, go that bean factory, right? Bean factory. So bean factory, so I said that which class? Component class. This one is what? Employee component. So I said that, right? If we apply the stereotype annotation, first letter will become what? Small, right? First letter will become small. In that, what we will do now? Paste it, right? Just small. After then what? After then what? Now employee load that class as a dynamically employee component dot class. Okay, employee. Then this factory method will return what? Same class object, employee component emp, right? So based on this one, we can able to call the method or not, whatever emp dot what method is there inside that what method? Save object we wrote or not? Save object. See, then come here, come inside that emp component. What is that? Save method is there, right? So it will call this method. Based on that, operation will perform. Okay, na? So let's run this application and test it, and the data will store in the our what? Database. Yeah. See, create, inserted or not? Data is inserted or not? And after then object is saved. We got the message or not? Now come here, come in the table, right? Database. See, refresh 101 Ravi 20. Okay, na? So like this we can able to what? Like this we can able to save the data. Means one come one method we completed, right? One method we completed. Come here, one method now means here means this operation we completed. So what I'm doing, that just I'm going to do store multiple record, right? I'm going to store multiple record. So what I will do now, come here, right? Come employee component. In the employee component 102 here, what is that? Pankaj, right? Pankaj, and just three, right? Three I'm taking. Okay, na? So run again, run this application. Again, run this application. Again, come here. Again, come here. Here, three. I'm taking what? Three. And here, what I'm taking that? I'm taking that? Um, what I'm taking? Any name? Personality. Prasuna. What is that? Correct, right? Okay, anyway, okay, na? Here I'm taking what? 4. Fine, 4. So now run again the application. Run the again application. Okay, 2 time means 3 data is come. Still. What is that? Oh, it's my mistake. Actually, I taken what? Create, right? Create. I taken the create. So because of that, I'm getting. Okay, so what I can do now? It's my mistake only. Okay, na? So this one I'm taking what? Imply one. Okay, imply one. Now, okay, copy this one and two. Control shift one. Okay, control Z. From here to here. Okay, copy this one. One 1 1. Here pass the one only. Okay, fine. So here what is that? Two second employee, and here third employee. Okay, three employee. I want to save it. Okay, so here what is that? E2. E2 here here ID is what? 1. Here 2. Here Ravi. I'm taking the name at what? Ravi. Okay, here 3. Here 2 2 2. Okay, 2 2. Here also 2 in the argument. Here 3. I'm taking 3 3 3 3. Fine. 3 3 3. Okay, here also 3 object. I'm going to save it. Okay, 3 object I'm going to save in the Ravi 102, Ravi 40, and here what is that? 103, right? 103. Here Pankaj. Okay, fine. So now let's run this application, and a 3 object will store. 3 object will store in the table, right? 3 object will store in the table. Still program is running now. Okay, now because of that. See, 101 Prashna 30, 102 Ravi 40, 103 Pankaj. So 3 records came or not? Okay, fine. So now come here. No, after then what is that? I want to update what? Update employee name and employee name. Means I want to update it. For that, which method we will call? Update method. Okay, na? So come here, come come in the application, right? Where we will go? Employee DAO service, employee DAO, right? Employee DAO. Inside that we will write one method, right? Public void. Its return type is void. Update object, right? Update object. Just I'm writing that. Okay, na? But how we will? It's need what? Int employee ID, right? Based on that, it will update it, right? Based on, come here. Here I wrote object, right? But it's need what? Integer object only, right? Oh, fine, correct. Object here, it's argument, it's need what? Object only. Again, it's also employee. Okay, na? Employee dot emp, right? Emp I wrote. Okay, fine. So we, after then what is that? Employee. What is that? DAO. We will go. It's implementation class, right? It's implementation class. Alt Shift S plus V. We will override that method.